Facing foreclosure, but think you have time to get things worked out? Think again. Join me and I'll explain to you why time is not on your side when your house is on the line. Hi, I'm Jim Keaveney of Keaveney Legal Group. We are a New Jersey and Pennsylvania-based law firm that focuses on foreclosure defense and other alternatives to foreclosure. Every day we see the unfortunate consequences of people who, for one reason or another, wait too long to begin dealing with their foreclosure and end up paying the price by losing the house or missing out on an opportunity that could have really helped them. Remember, when it comes to fighting foreclosure, time is your enemy. The further you fall behind on your mortgage, the more difficult it becomes to modify your loan. In fact, some programs are only available to those who have maintained on-time payments for the life of the loan. Therefore, take action now rather than waiting to see if your situation gets better or worse. It is always better to be proactive in these situations rather than reactive. You should contact an attorney as soon as you know you cannot continue to make your payments, even if you're still current at the moment. The sooner you act, the sooner you can start saving money on your monthly payments and the less financial hardship you'll experience as a result of the loan. It is important to have your case and your mortgage papers reviewed as soon as possible. Often, a lawyer may be able to find defects in the origination or transfer of the loan that could help spell trouble for the lender. As a result, you may enter into a modification negotiation from a better bargaining standpoint. But you will not know until your attorney has an opportunity to review your paperwork and make an appropriate recommendation. Now, a common mistake people make when dealing with foreclosure is to just wait too long after receiving their foreclosure lawsuit paperwork. There are very strict timelines imposed by the law as to when you have to respond to that case. While an attorney can offer some assistance at almost any point in a foreclosure, you'll lose certain opportunities to raise certain defenses if you don't respond to the lawsuit in a timely manner. As a result, if you are facing foreclosure or even received your lawsuit paperwork already, consult with an attorney right away. Remember, the longer you wait, the more likely it is that you will lose your home. If you can get a modification before you're even delinquent, that's your best option. If you can respond to a lawsuit as soon as it's served, that's much, much better than trying to fight the foreclosure process days before the final hearing. The time to act is now, not after the bank has already taken your home. It is understandable for the foreclosure process to seem frightening and confusing. At Keaveney Legal Group, we help people to avoid foreclosure and stay in their homes every day. We are dedicated to helping people just like you, and we would be happy to discuss your case. But remember, it's important that you act now so that we can give you the best chance of keeping your home and achieving a more affordable price for your mortgage payments. For a free, no-obligation consultation, I encourage you to give us a call at 1-800-219-0939 or email me at jim@keaveneylegalgroup.com. I'm Jim Keaveney. Have a wonderful day.